Hey, I'm Alexandra, home editor at Chatelaine. Welcome back to a new episode of the Home Primp, where I make over spaces on a serious budget.
Good morning. I'm Elle Lindquist, and I am so excited that Chatelaine is going to be making over our loft space. This has been the man cave, and there was plans of having foosball nights and pool nights, but it's been 5 years, and I don't think the pool table cover has ever come off. We have 2 boys, and we wanted a space where the boys can play, we can all kind of kick back and relax, sort of a playroom, living room hybrid, and this is the perfect space.
I am here with Elle Lindquist. I've been watching Elle on YouTube for years, so it's kind of surreal to be in her space. We are primping her loft area today. Elle, can you tell everyone what this space looked like before we came?
Oh, goodness. I always say it's the space where things that are no longer wanted go to die. If you imagine just collecting all the items in your house and then throwing them up in the air and being like, Yahtzee, and wherever they land, that's where they lived. And it looked like that for about 5-6 years. This is the current foosball table area. And this is the area that we're gonna transform into our living room / play area. It's such a beautiful space that has so much potential, but we just haven't done anything with it yet.
So I'm going to primp this space into a really cozy family room for under $1,000, and that's including a brand new sofa. First things first, we needed to get rid of this pool table. Then I got a head start by hanging this wallpaper and fixing the furniture to the walls for safety. This space is also going to be a guest room, which means double duty furniture is essential. Couches are usually really expensive, but since this is the Home Primp, I went on a hunt and found this gem from Structube. It actually folds down into a sofa bed, so Elle's family can lounge on it and then fold it down when they have guests over. Elle has so many great throw pillows already, so I'm just chucking these on for added texture. This used to be Elle's dad's mantle, but it was just kind of lying up here waiting to be hung. I hung this wallpaper behind the mantle to really define this space and to ensure that there's not just a floating shelf hanging on this huge wall. Now we've got a statement wall that only took 5 wallpaper panels to create. I'm styling the top of the mantle with knickknacks that Elle already had. I'm also adding in this really cute chalkboard, which I've written on with these amazing pastel chalk markers. Underneath the mantle, these seagrass baskets are gonna add major texture. If you're up for a DIY, paint the bottoms with acrylic paint. One key thing you always need in a guest bedroom is storage for linens. I was on the hunt for a TV stand and then had the genius idea to just use a dresser. This chest of drawers can hold a TV if Elle and her family want to watch movies, and it doubles as a place to store all those things that guests need. I'm not including this dresser in the price because this is a great opportunity for you to take stock of what you already have. Seriously, you don't need all new furniture to primp a space. 2 frames and printable art is the most inexpensive way to dress up your walls. These are my favorite frames for larger pieces of art. I had some extra space to play with in this corner, so I'm adding this beautiful industrial style floor lamp and Elle's Monstera plant. What a difference. Now onto this little nook. I got Elle's boys to draw on some craft paper, threw it in these trusty frames, hung it on the wall, and it is the perfect art for a kid's corner. And it's basically free. This is the perfect place to set up a little play area for Ford and Cohen. I've added this shelf to create a cute little window seat, plus extra storage for toys. These baskets, they're actually plant pots. And this wouldn't be the Home Primp without a pom-pom, or 5. And these cushions really brighten it up. I am obsessed with this dotted rug, and it is the perfect place for the boys to play. Scour your house for the finishing touches.
Are you ready to see the new space? What do you think?
I like it.
Have a look around. Look, Coco.
be a deer.
Whoa. Oh, are you going shopping? Yeah. Maxing and relaxing over here. And that's typical of being a parent. It lasts 5 seconds.
Thanks so much for watching the Home Primp. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below on your favorite part. I'd love to know what it is.
And if you want to see how we live in this space, you can come check out my lifestyle vlog at Elle Lindquist.
See you next time.
Bye.
I think I want to take this microphone off.